afternoon. We are driving towards Naivasha at the end of day 3. It is 10 minutes past 2 and we've had another tough day on the rally, but we have moved into the lead, which is brilliant. And though we have had some tough moments, all is going well across the field. We have everybody still running currently, and the feeling is that this is going to be a very, very long rally, super tough on the cars and of course the crew. Certainly a feeling of a bit of fatigue, especially given it's only the end of day 3. But it's how it is sometimes, and the challenge is to do whatever it takes, and the guys on the ground have absolutely done that today. Extraordinary effort across the team. So we'll crack on, continue, and try desperately to keep smiling.